Hey everybody, today I'm going to barbecue one of our family favorites. It's just what we call the lime salted chicken. It turns out really good. The recipe is super simple to make. All you need is a few limes and some Himalayan or Hawaiian salt. And all I did was I have a full chicken where I cut the backbone out and also cut the wishbone and just kind of folded it in half so I have the whole chicken here. From there I just squeeze some lime on the underside and salt it up really good, and then flip it over, squeeze some lime on top half here and salt it up really good, and then maybe do a little more lime on top, and then that's all you do. I don't pepper it or anything. I just do that after we cook it, but from here I just let it sit in the, I'll wrap it up and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the grill in a bit. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got the bird on the grill now. I'm cooking it indirect. I put it rib side down. I've got a full chimney of just regular old Kingsford charcoal, nothing exotic here, and ready to go. I'm gonna close the lid and put it on for about 30 minutes and come back, take a look, and at that time I'll probably just give it a turn and go from there. See you soon. While we wait, I'm going to talk about this grill a little bit. About 1.5 years ago I bought this charcoal grill at Lowe's. I've got a older Weber grill. It's about 20 something years old. It's still good. Nothing wrong with it. Here it is over here. If I kind of walk over here, it's semi-retired. It's held up really good. I've had this thing for like 25 years, and I still use it. I just wanted something a little bigger. Don't worry, I still love you. I'll bring you out again. Don't worry. But this grill here, I just wanted something a little bigger. I kind of treated myself to this, and when we have parties or people over, I just wanted a little more real estate to work with, grill space. The grill itself, the only thing that I've changed on it was they come with these cast iron grill or grates, and here's kind of what they look like. I've seasoned them, I've tried to take care of them, and they just have kind of gotten rusty and everything, and I didn't want to deal with it anymore, so I got these stainless steel grates. I love these grates. If anybody wants to the link for those, I can provide that for you. I think I got those off of Amazon, but they're awesome. They're easy to clean. They heat up good, and they leave a nice sear on steaks and things like that. But I love this grill. It's been great. It's really sturdy. I haven't had any kind of issues with it rusting or anything like that, and I'm planning to get several years out of it. I keep it covered out of the sun. Anytime I'm not using it, I keep it covered, and it's the paint on it is really good. The only thing that's a little annoying is that the handles that came with it are they're wood, and it's kind of got some sap that has kind of come out of it, but maybe I can come up with something to wrap around it so it doesn't get on your hands or anything like that. But other than that, it's a great grill. Okay, I'm back. I'm exactly 30 minutes into this. Let's open it up and take a look. Looking good. I'm going to just turn it around now. I'm not going to turn it over, just going to turn it around. Okay, close it up. Come back in 30 minutes and take a look. Okay, we're an hour in. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay, it looks pretty good. I'm going to hit it with a thermometer here and see where we're at. And you want this at about 165 for chicken, roughly. Let's see where we're at here. Maybe I'll get a digital thermometer at some point. Okay, it's running up to about 145, 150. Getting there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is close it up again. On a warm day like this, you know, it runs about I know from experience it runs about an hour, 15 minutes or so. So I'm going to pull this out and just going to give it a little quarter turn here. Close it back up. We'll be back in 15 and see what it looks like. Okay, we're about 15 minutes out, I think, on this chicken. So what I'm going to do is actually put on some zucchinis and squash, kind of our side dish here. I grew these in the garden. I threw a little Italian dressing on these. Let's open it up real quick, throw these on, get them going so that they'll be ready about the same time as when the chicken finishes up. Sliding around a little bit. Close it back up. Okay, I'm back. Let's check it out. Looking good. I think I'm gonna call it. Okay. I'm gonna flip these zucchinis over a little bit. Just one time. Pretty close. Chicken looks good. Just something about chicken, you know, I like chicken, but honestly, there's only so much you can do with chicken. I mean, it's not like beef where you get kind of some of those deep flavors, but for what this is, you know, the X factor to me is the skin. So it's hard to describe, but the skin on this is really good. It's kind of crunchy, and the acid in the lime kind of makes it crunchy with the salt. So I highly recommend you guys trying this out. I think you'll like it. But I think we're about done. Getting ready to wrap this up. All right, here it is, plated up. We got some mashed potatoes. Here's the chicken. Here's the zucchini. And a little fruit cocktail to top it off. And looking forward to giving this a shot. Looks good. Talk to you later.